Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to skip both rain and night in LEGO Fortnite, so you can keep building and exploring without interruptions. The first thing you'll need is a bed. To craft one, you need to collect some wood since you need planks. Wool is optional, but needed for other bed designs. Wool can be gathered by petting sheep or from your village animal. Simply walk up to your sheep and press E to pet. Once you have the materials, head to your crafting menu and place the bed inside your shelter or village. Whenever the weather turns rainy or the world gets dark, simply walk up to the bed and interact with it. Select Sleep until morning and your character will rest. Sleeping does two things at once. It moves time forward to morning and clears out any rain. When you wake up, it will always be clear daytime again. Let's give it a shot. You can also place multiple beds if you're playing with friends, since everyone needs to sleep at the same time to skip together. And that's how you skip rain and night in LEGO Fortnite. Craft a bed, sleep through the storm, and get right back to building. Thanks for watching.